The following teachings are on the topic of cosmic consciousness, and are selections taken from two books by Manly P. Hall, one called First Principles of Philosophy, and another called Words to the Wise. Is an imperfect man capable of attaining perfect wisdom? The Eastern mystic doesn't presume that the imperfect mind is capable of thinking perfect thoughts. Instead, he surmounts the difficulty by ceasing to think, by permitting the totality of wisdom to flow through him. Most of the great mystery schools of the old world held opinions consistent with the Platonic idea that man becomes nobler and more illumined as the interval between himself and the pattern of his perfection grows less. Yet, presuming that a grand pattern actually does exist, how can the average individual become aware of it? Well, as the divine includes among its attributes absolute, all-knowing wisdom, it would follow then that the divine part of man is itself all-wise and all-knowing. Socrates and Plato, in fact, accepted this as the key to salvation. Education, therefore, as the word itself originally inferred, is a process by wisdom is drawn out of man, not put into man. Every man's true teacher is his own inner or higher self. He has only to listen with an earnest ear. But is the result merely an extension of our normal learning, the material sciences, arts, and the things of this world? Or is cosmic consciousness a wisdom distinct from the universe of things? Would illumination result in the biologist becoming master of all biology, or the musician becoming instantaneously masterful on every musical instrument? The answer seems to be no. Cosmic consciousness did not prevent Socrates from being poisoned by hemlock. It did bring him enough peace to willingly embrace death. Cosmic consciousness did not prevent Pythagoras from being burned to death. Cosmic consciousness did not prevent the Buddha from eventually laying down to die. Although Plotinus was consciously united to God all the time, he died of the same infirmities of the flesh as do all men. Cosmic consciousness neither spared Saint Francis of Assisi, nor the Indian Saint Ramakrishna, nor anyone else. We must acknowledge that all these great men who realized God possessed this cosmic consciousness, but that in every case it enriched the inward spiritual life, never arranging to profit the outer life. Realization gives strength, courage, and the peace which passes all understanding, but it never implies immunity from disaster.